Hello, and welcome to this lesson on the solar system. So, today we are going to talk about what makes up the solar system. As we know, planets. Maybe you know that planets are in there. Maybe you know the sun's there, that there's stars. But today we're really going to talk about the specifics. So you can know the ins and outs of the solar system like the back of your hand. So go through the slides, listen, study, and do your own research because there is so much to learn. And scientists are learning about the universe and the solar system every day. So they have made discoveries over the years and things change, which you will see in this reading that there was a previous planet that's no longer a planet. So let's not digress any further. Let me begin reading. So, what is the solar system? Glad you asked. The solar system is dominated by the sun and the planets that orbit around it. The planets consist of an increasing distance from the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The solar system also consists of the moons that revolve around some of the planets, asteroids, comets, and meteors. The inner planets are small in size and have densities consistent with rock and metal compositions. So thus, the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars have broadly similar compositions and are termed the terrestrial planets. The outer planets are known as the gas giants because of their relatively large size. They are largely composed of the gases hydrogen and helium and have lower densities than the terrestrial planets. More to know. Our solar system has hundreds of moons orbiting planets, dwarf planets, and asteroids. Of the 8 planets, Mercury and Venus are the only ones with no moons, although Venus does have a quasi-satellite that has officially been named Zuzvi. The giant planets of our solar system are Jupiter and Saturn, and they lead our solar system's moon counts. Pluto, smaller than our own moon, has 5 moons in its orbit. So you can see, including the name is Charon, a moon so large it makes Pluto wobble. So Pluto was previously placed on the planetary map, but due to its barely passing natures that define a planet, Pluto was removed from that list. So you can see in the reading there. So let's look at the planets' placements in order. The order of our solar system is as follows: Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The inner and outer planets. So the inner planets, starting from the Sun in chronological order, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So let me go to number 1. The first 4 planets from the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These inner planets also are known as terrestrial planets because they have solid surfaces. The 4 outer planets are Jupiter and Saturn, which are gas giants, and Uranus and Neptune, which are ice giants. So has anyone visited our solar system? Well, yes, indeed. Check this article out to learn more about the first ever documented event of earthly astronauts landing on the moon. So all you have to do is type in moon landing on your Google search engine and Kids National Geographic, and you should be able to read that article. So happy reading, and until next time, we will be talking about the properties of the planets in our solar system. So take in this lesson before you have to study for your quiz in the upcoming week. And until next time, see you later. Bye.